Leslie.
And Lexi.
Here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. We have something new and exciting.
Yes.
A spa jacket, right?
To go with our wonderful Q&Lu, we brought you a spa jacket.
I know. This is fun because all of you who have tried Q&Lu are absolutely loving it. So we want to make sure you don't forget about the back bar sizes because that's what you'll need. So when you spend $200 or more on the Q&Lu line, whether it's
the back bar, whether it's the kit, whether it's the small ones individually, if you hit $200 with the Q&Lu, you get the jacket free.
Now, I want to go in. We had our designer. It's funny. We were doing a spa jacket. And everybody has an opinion on a jacket and how it should look. But we kind of gave all of our opinions
Feedback
to Joseph. And he is so excited. We got it. And we think it's perfect. So he calls himself Giorgio McClellan. He thinks he's a designer now, which could be an issue. But anyway, let me show you this jacket. Joe's going to bear with me here because I'm going to stand up because you can see it best if you stand up. This jacket is so much, I like it because it has sleeves, but they're not too long, so if your hands are in water and something, they're not going to get all icky. Look at this.
The
logo. And it has great pockets.
So even if you want to, if you're moving and grooving, you can
you got
put a little
anything in there.
thing
Put your hands in there. And then I thought it was kind of cute because we put a little design, It's not
Giorgio McClellan put in a belt.
Baby. I just love it. And it has material so if nail dust gets on, you just can brush it right off.
Yep.
We thought of everything. But I want to show you.
This one's a little big for you too.
This is a medium. Yep. So we have them in all sizes. But my favorite part of it is
the tag.
Look at this. Can you see that? The tag has the round bottom flask in it.
That is awesome.
I just thought that was a special touch.
It is.
We're always thinking of those special things. So anyway, to get this, because normally the spa jacket is $49.95?
$44.95.
$44.95, excuse me.
So that's a great value to get free if you spend the $200.
You get this free.
Or you can also buy it individually if you'd like.
Yes, but $200 worth of the wonderful Q&Lu spa line, and you get the free
our brand new smock from Giorgio McClellan now.
I know. Yeah, have fun with it.
We're going into the fashion business.
Well, you'll look so professional.
Mom, you're going to hit the runway.
Oh, well, I don't know about that, but you're going to look so professional in your salon wearing this too.
Very much so.
I think we're going to wear them at the trade shows also.
Yeah, that'd be great.
So anyway, get your spa jacket today.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.